So, what do we have here? In Mackay right now, beautiful weather, brand new features in the Parktech. Check it out.
Something had to give to something.